Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one new part that we didn't teach in class because it's not in our book, but it will be the extra credit if you want to learn one small new thing. So this is not new. This is if our vertex is outside the circle, our formula is angle equals 1/2 outer arc minus inner arc. Like I said, this is not new. This is not the extra credit. The angle is 12. The outer arc is x. The inner arc is 44. This is for if I have angles and arcs. Look at this picture here. This is going to be the new part. Notice here, the picture looks the same because I still have a vertex here and I still have secant. But this time, I'm not trying to find an angle or an arc. Over here in this picture, I'm trying to find a piece of the secant. I have a few pieces. I'm trying to find this piece. So the pictures look alike, but it's different things. In the first one, that is the formula for how to find an angle or an arc that's missing. Over here, do a formula for how to find a missing piece of the secant or tangent. Here is the formula. Outside times whole equals outside times whole. Here's what I mean by that. The outside is right here, 6. Times the whole thing. This is the whole thing, which is 6 plus 9. Equals outside 5 times the whole thing, 5 plus x. That's it. Then you have to do algebra. So this on the left is a number. That is 6 times 15. 6 times 6 plus 9 is 15. So that's 90. On the other side, that would be 25 plus 5x. Subtract 25 and divide by 5. 13 is how big this piece is. That's what we're solving for. We will do one more. Pause the video if it went too fast. Here's another one. Again, we're trying to find a piece. The x was here. You could do the same formula if the x was here. Whichever piece you're trying to find, you can use the same formula. The formula is outside times whole equals outside times whole. Here we go. Outside is 4. The whole thing, 4 and 5 is 9. Equals the outside piece, 3 times the whole thing, 3 plus x. And then you just have your algebra to do. Okay. If you see one that looks like this with a tangent and a secant, and I have 5x and 9, the formula still works the same. I don't know if these numbers I made up will work, but the formula still works the same. The outside is 5. And the whole thing is also 5. Over here, outside is x, and the whole thing is x plus 9. Okay, so that's how you would set it up. Again, I just made up those numbers, so I'm not sure if it's going to work out to a nice number or the algebra will work out nicely, but you can do any, whether it's tangent, secant, or whatever.